Hello, I'm Karen Durham, Shiatsu Qi Gong specialist and teacher, and I'd like to invite you to a class with a difference to enrich your everyday life. It's online or in person, so wherever you are in the world, you can join our supportive and collaborative group to share with your body and with others to reap the maximum rewards for yourself that you can then pass on. In our class, there is that much needed stillness and self-exploration so that you can come up with your own personalized movements and self-care. Watch this video. It tells you more about the class and includes a practical exercise, a gently powerful meditation that taps you into your own unique potential so that you have the tools to thrive inside. Participants have said they feel incredibly held, soothed, find a new way of moving. Their mind, body and heart are more balanced and they can give more to themselves and then to others. I love what I do. My work is my passion and it is my pleasure to share. So I welcome you to be part of something important within a supportive and fun group. And if you can't come yourself, then please recommend to your circle of friends. It helps me to reach more people. My videos are completely self-funded, so I really appreciate any donation, whatever amount. Honestly, it helps me a whole lot to continue to share. The payment link and the contact details are down below for you to see. Thank you for watching, and I really look forward to meeting you.